In Missoula, we don't see crazy windstorms often, but when we do, it's important to be prepared. And with severe winds expected to make its way through western Montana, there are a few tips and tricks to help save possessions. Tell me about maybe some of the tips and tricks that you suggest as a meteorologist for people to keep their homes and property safe.
Sure. This time of year, at least it's maybe a little bit easier because trees don't have their leaves on. So they're not as susceptible to go down. But the wind that we could get today could take trees down. So you don't want to park near trees if you want to protect your car. Anything underneath a tree could be a problem.
One of the best things you can do now to prepare your home is to make sure that barbecues and outdoor patio furniture are put away or secure. And if you have a trampoline, you might want to nail it down. The most imperative thing we can do is if debris does come down in a severe weather storm, be aware of power lines. Just because a power line is down does not mean it doesn't carry an electrical charge.
To either 110 or 220, but those voltages are definitely higher enough to severely injure or kill a person. So it's not recommended that you go rooting around in any downed portion of a tree until you've gotten it cleared with the power company.
Northwestern Energy Communications Specialist Jody Black wrote to MTN News saying, quote, "If you see a downed or damaged power line, keep your distance and call 911 and Northwestern immediately. Never touch a power line or any object, including trees, that is in contact with a line. Always keep people, equipment, and objects at least 30 feet away from downed lines." If you do have a downed tree, call an expert to help you remove it before you try and clean it up yourself. Other things to keep in mind: check your trees or shrubs to ensure you have no loose branches that could go flying. If you are planning on traveling, leave some extra room behind those high-profile cars like semis. If you are traveling through the passes, snow could add an extra challenge, so use extra caution. Have a flashlight handy in case you do lose power. You can report power outages to your power company. If you do have downed trees or damage to your property, there are resources on our website. In Missoula, Hannah Hyslop, MTN News.